In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your OneDrive account. This might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through the entire process step by step to make sure you understand each part clearly. Our journey begins on the Microsoft homepage, which acts as the central hub for many of Microsoft's services, including OneDrive. Once you're there, the first action you need to take is to sign in to your account. Look for the sign in option, it's usually quite prominent. Clicking this will start the login process, which is essential for account deletion. Meanwhile, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the one associated with your OneDrive and Microsoft account. After entering your email, proceed by clicking Next. The system will then request your password. Enter it securely, and once done, click Next again. After logging in successfully, you might see a prompt asking if you wish to stay signed in. If you're on your personal device, it's generally advisable to click Yes. This will prevent those annoying repetitive sign-in requests during future visits. Even though you're here to delete your account, maintaining good security practice is important. Every step contributes to keeping your information safe. Next, navigate to the All Microsoft section after reaching your account dashboard. Think of this as opening up your digital doorway to every Microsoft service you're currently using or have access to. From here, you'll want to locate and click on OneDrive. This action directs you straight to where your files are stored in the cloud, kind of like walking into a room filled with your digital possessions. Once you're inside OneDrive, you may need to select the sign-in option again to enter this specific service with your account details. I know, it seems like we're repeating steps, but this is crucial for accessing OneDrive-specific settings. After signing in, locate the Home button, which acts as a starting point within OneDrive. Here, you can efficiently navigate throughout your stored contents and settings. Under Home, find and select My Microsoft Account. This option brings you back under the umbrella of your overall Microsoft account settings, but this time with a focus on OneDrive. Within the broader Microsoft account settings, locate and click on Your Info. This particular section covers information about your account, including personal details and account management options. Within Your Info, you'll find an option labeled Close Account. This is a critical step, as it takes you to the page where Microsoft outlines the process and implications of account closure. Make sure to read through these details thoroughly. Microsoft wants to ensure that you fully understand what account closure entails, including the loss of access to services, subscription data, and the irreversible deletion of all your files stored in OneDrive. It's important to back up any essential data elsewhere first, since deleting your OneDrive account isn't just about losing access to your files. It also means understanding that you'll lose access to other Microsoft services linked to this account, and it's final after a grace period provided by Microsoft for any last-minute changes of heart. So if you're sure you want to proceed, follow Microsoft's instructions to complete the closure process. And there you have it, we've gone through how to delete your OneDrive account carefully and thoughtfully. It's a significant decision that impacts your digital footprint, so make sure you've considered everything before moving on. If you're ready to transition away from OneDrive, following these steps will help ensure it's done smoothly and informedly.